today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of these carbon fiber pickleball paddles that the brand sent me to do this review for you. Right off the bat, love the fact that they come in a case. We have space over here for gloves, for balls, whatever you want. We got a nice little strap back here that is also adjustable, which is great. Zipper on the top, can also carry it just like that. So let's open this up right here. So right off the bat, we got balls. So we got two balls right here. So those are the orange or the yellow. We got two orange ones right here. And then we have the paddles. So you can see these are packaged really, really nice so they don't get scratched up at all. We have these grips right over here, which is great. So these are the T300 carbon fiber. Look at these, they even come rubber band. Really, really nice. Really like the grip on this a lot. So you'll see here, they're US Pickleball Paddle approved, which is nice. This is the P1 series. Really, really nice. Like the grip, super lightweight on these. Really like this a lot. This is a awesome starter set. I mean, to get 4 paddles and 4 balls is absolutely great. We got the grips here too. Most of these sets only come with 1 paddle or 2 paddles, but being able to get 4 paddles, absolutely amazing. So if you're looking for a great pickleball paddle set that has everything you need, definitely check these out.